Warning!
Just wanted to give you a heads up. People will put these Apple AirTags in their vehicles and campers to track them when somebody steals them. This particular one was in a vehicle that I was working on at work. And when I started to drive it, my phone pinged me to let me know that I was being tracked by an Apple AirTag. It gave me this message.
And then when you click on the message,
it shows up like this. It gave me instructions on how to make it make sound so I could locate it, and then it gives you instructions on how to disable it. So I'm not saying the Apple AirTag is not a useful product, but it is definitely not a useful product for tracking things that you're worried might get stolen. The craziest part about this to me is I did not download any software on my phone to track stuff like this. It just automatically did it on its own, and I'm not an Apple user. It gave me this notification on how to obtain where it's at, who the owner is, and how to disable it. Now, as you can imagine, that kind of defeats the purpose that this particular person was using the AirTag for. I don't have a better suggestion on how to track our camper to keep it from getting stolen, but I was hoping you could help us. So I know I'm not going to use an Apple AirTag. If you have a better suggestion, please drop us a comment and let us know, and let us all learn together. Is there anything you want to add, Tristan?
yeah, good job.
All right, let's get back to work on our camper so we have something to protect.
Okay.
For more family and informative content, please subscribe to our channel.